Hello everyone, and welcome to the Top Invented YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to check out the 5 best headsets for Xbox One. I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see the price, and find out more information about these headsets, you can check out the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1. We have Razer Kraken Pro V2. The Razer Kraken Pro V2 delivers impressively loud and rich sound coupled with punchy bass tones. The extendable microphone noise cancelling works well to deliver clear voice chat to your teammates, and it's also fully retractable to tuck it out of the way during solo play. The build quality is impressive, with the bauxite aluminum frame making the headset both lightweight and durable. There is also a choice between oval or round ear cushions, meaning you can find the best fit for your ears. The combination of comfort and sound quality mean this is an excellent investment for those long gaming sessions. At number 2. We have Turtle Beach Elite Pro. Turtle Beach are renowned for the quality of their gaming headsets, so if you have esports aspirations or just want to look the part, then this could be for you. Multiple customization systems built into the headband mean you can finally tweak the position and tension for a perfect fit. And for glasses wearers, there is the added bonus of a switch to create an adjustable channel in the ear cushions to fit your frames. The standard sound output is crystal clear with chunky bass to immerse you in your games, and the built-in microphone technology ensures you can always be heard no matter what is happening around you. If you really want to push the boat out, you can also invest in the complimentary tactical audio controller, which adds 7.1 surround sound, and gives you total control of your audio output to identify every footstep and gunshot on the battlefield. At number 3. We have official Xbox One headset. The official Xbox One headset produced by Microsoft, and despite its modest price it still delivers a full range of rich stereo audio. It also features a unidirectional microphone for clear communication, which can be flipped up out of the way when not in use. The headset also comes bundled with the Xbox One stereo headset adapter, ensuring compatibility and providing handy controls over both game and chat audio volumes. Clocking in at just 9 ounces 255G. This is the lightest headset to feature on our list. Its low weight, combined with the breathable fabric ear cups, mean you can happily wear it for long gaming sessions without getting too fatigued. One downside as a result of this lightness is that the headset cable is particularly thin, and therefore may not stand up to rough use, so take that into consideration, if it could be an issue. At number 4. We have Astro Gaming A50. The chunky, tubular design of this headset won't be to everyone's taste. However, it does come with a very useful base station that packs in a number of features. Firstly, it acts as the wireless transmitter, sending a signal to your headset up to 30 feet away. It also functions as a stand and magnetic charging dock, meaning you can easily pop it in when not in use to keep the 15-hour battery topped up. It may not have quite the same audio performance as similarly priced alternatives, but it does still deliver 7.1 surround sound and a fully wireless experience on Xbox One with no chat cable required. There is also a modification kit available, allowing you to add noise cancelling ear cushions and a padded headband for added comfort and support. Finally, at number 5. We have Corsair HS50. If you are looking to step up from a standard pair of headphones, but do not want to invest in some of the more expensive choices we have listed here, then the Corsair HS50 could tick the right boxes for you. Despite the budget price, it still delivers solid stereo sound, as well as a comfortable fit thanks to the full leather headband covering. The real bonus, however, is the 3.5mm cable, which means you can easily use this headset with any of your other devices, so it has longer lasting value. You can even detach the microphone if you just want some headphones on the go, though make sure you put it somewhere safe as it's quite small. Obviously, for the price you are not going to get surround sound or fancy voice boosting technology, but as an affordable multi-use headset it definitely does the job. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.